In this video, I'll show you how to use Excel to make a pie chart. So here we have the number of degrees in thousands that were issued during a given year, from associates to doctoral. So to do a pie chart, we're just going to select all of the data, go to Insert, under Charts, one of the last ones is Pie, so we click it and we're just going to choose the very first pie chart. So this would be degrees conferred. And here it has a key down at the bottom. It also doesn't have the actual percentages. So there's a few things I'm going to add to this. So under the plus sign here, I'm going to add data labels, but go to the options. So under the label options, on this last one here, instead of value, I'm going to put percentage. Okay. I'm also going to put the series name, not series name, excuse me, category name, so that that is with the number as well. And now we don't need this. So this is a little better because it will, and you can drag these labels anywhere too. If they get far enough away, they'll get leader lines. So this is better if a person is using a non-color printer, or if they have issues seeing certain colors. This ensures that they can tell what the information is showing. And they know exactly which one. If you want the bachelor to have a leader line, you're going to have to pull it pretty far away, so it may not. So we'll just leave it close enough. And that gives us our pie chart with percentages. And again, with these numbers, if that wasn't precise enough for you, you can format the data label, and under there, the second option was general. You can change it to a number, or more accurately, a percentage, and it will do it. So since I had selected a specific one, it only did one. But you can one at a time adjust these if you wanted to show a more precise number. Just be consistent. And those are really the main labels that a pie chart will need.